This is Gayatri Samrajam from section CSO roll number 4942. Now I am going to explain about Newton's backward interpolation. Before going directly to the topic, let us see what is meant by interpolation. Suppose we are given the values of y equals to f of x for a set of values of x as following: x naught, x1, x2 and so on, x and y, y0, y1, y2 and so on, yn. These x values are called arguments and these y values are called entries. Entries are nothing but by substituting simply x values in the given function, we get entries. The process of estimating the value of y for some value of x that lies in between x0 and xn is called interpolation. Similarly, the process of estimating the value of y for some value of x that lies out of the range of x values is called extrapolation. Let us see what is meant by backward difference. The backward difference operator is denoted by del, and backward difference is defined as del f of x plus h equals to f of x plus h minus f of x. Now del f of x naught plus h equals to f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught. Del f of x naught plus h is nothing but y1. Del y1 equals to y1 minus y naught, means second entry minus first entry. Del y2 equals to y2 minus y1. Del y3 equals to y3 minus y2 and so on. Del yn equals to yn minus yn minus 1. Here del y1, del y2, del y3 and so on del yn are called first order backward differences. The second order backward differences are del square y2 equals to del y2 minus del y1. Del square y3 equals to del y3 minus del y2 and so on. Del square yn equals to del yn minus del yn minus 1. In general, the nth order backward difference is given by del power n yn equals to del power n minus 1 yn minus del power n minus 1 by n minus 1. We use these backward differences and forward differences if there is an equal difference between the two arguments, nothing but equally spaced intervals, we use these backward differences and forward differences. In this backward difference table, we have taken the values of x and values of y and del y, del square y, del cube y, del power 4y. How we know that what must be the last difference that we need to calculate means the number of entries minus 1 is equals to the last difference that we need to calculate. Here in this table we have x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4. We have 5 entries. So we need to calculate up to del power 4y difference. Here if we observe del y is nothing but y1 minus y0 is del y, y2 minus y1 is del y2 and y3 minus y2 is del y3, y4 minus y3 is del y4. I have highlighted these y4, del y4, del square y4, del cube y4 and del power y4. In the above table, this y4 is called the leading term and del y4, del square y4 and del cube y4 and del power 4 y4 are called the leading backward differences. Coming to my topic, Newton's backward interpolation formula. The Newton's backward interpolation formula is given by y of x equals to yn plus p del yn plus p into p plus 1 by 2 factorial into del square yn plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 by 3 factorial into del cube yn plus and so on, where x equals to xn plus ph, p equals to x minus xn by h, where h is called the interval of differencing, that is nothing but the difference between the two successive arguments. I am giving a note that Newton's backward interpolation formula is used to find the value of y near the end of the set of tabulated values and also used to extrapolate the value of y if the value of x is right to the value of x power n. We use this backward interpolation formula to find the value of y at the end of the set of tabulated values, whereas in case of forward interpolation we used to find the value of y near the beginning of the set of tabulated values. and also used to extrapolate the value of y if the value of x is left to the value of x naught. Coming to the problem, given area A of circle and diameter d is given for the following values: d 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, a 5026, 5674, 6362, 7088, 7854. They asked us to calculate the area of the circle of diameter 105. If we observe clearly, 105 is the out of range of the set of the tabulated values. And if we observe, these are equally spaced intervals. The difference between 85 and 80 is 5, 90 and 85 is 5, 95 minus 90 is 5, and 100 minus 95 is 5. So, in this problem, the value of h is 5, nothing but the interval of differencing is 5. Now I am going to display the difference table for the given data. This is the difference table for the given data. We are simply writing values of x, y, del square y, del cube y, del power 4y. As earlier I said, why we should end up to del power 4y, because here we have 5 entries: x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4. So now we are going to find del y, del square y and del cube y and del power 4y. Del y is nothing but 5674 minus 5026, 648, 688, 726, 766. Del square y is 40, 38, 40. Del cube y is minus 2 and 2. Del power 4y is 4. I have simply highlighted the values in the form of a rectangle. Those we are going to use in the Newton's backward interpolation formula, that is nothing but y4, which is the leading term, and del y4, del square y4, del cube y4, del power 4 y4 are the leading backward differences. Coming to the formula, it is given by y of x equals to yn plus p del yn plus p into p plus 1 by 2 factorial into del square yn plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 by 3 factorial into del cube yn plus and so on, where p equals to x minus xn by h. Here we take x as the value that we are going to find, nothing but 105 minus xn. Xn means the last entry, that is 100, by h. As earlier I said, the interval of differencing is 5. 5 by 5, nothing but 1. Now we are going to substitute the values in the formula. So we get y of 105 equals to 7854 plus 1 into 766 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial into 40 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 by 3 factorial into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 by 4 factorial into 4 gives 7854 plus 766 plus 40 plus 2 plus 4, 8666. The area of the circle of diameter 105, that is y of 105 equals to 8666 square units. Now I am going to simply summarize that we use this backward interpolation formula if the given set of tabulated values are equally spaced, that is the successive difference between the arguments like x1, x0, x1 means x1 minus x0 equals to x2 minus x1, like that. If the interval of differencing is same, then we are going to follow this process, otherwise we cannot do it. Thank you.